Usually I'm making videos to help teach art education, but I'm not teaching art education right now. I'm having fun with this little girl right here. What's your name, Missy?
Savannah, and your name is Bethany, but you go by Mrs. Teal.
That's right. And today we're going to make slime for the very first time. We've never made slime before, and we're excited to make it, and we're gonna let you see all the good and maybe the bad if we mess anything up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
What do we need?
we need a bowl, some things to mix your slime, and containers, glue, shaving cream, food coloring, measuring spoons, and some glitter, and
Borax. So we watched a bunch of YouTube videos to find out how to make slime, and it seems like borax is the best way to do it.
And also, if you get hungry by making slime, you can get some snacks.
We love snacks. Snacks are great.
And I love my shake.
So we're using borax as an activator for our slime. We watched lots of YouTube videos to figure out how to make good slime. It seems like this is a great way to do it. So the borax should only be used by grown-ups. So she's not going to touch the borax, just me.
Because if you touch it before making your slime, that's not good because it has chemicals in it, and that's bad.
Yeah, it could burn you. Okay, so to make our activator, you need water. So we have 1 cup of really warm water here in this cup. And we're gonna measure in 1/2 tablespoon of the borax. So let's see if I can do this, woo, without making a big mess. Oh, look at that all over the table, lovely. Okay, so pour that in. I'm gonna stir that up. I know they say in the video that if the water's warm, it dissolves faster and better, so that's why we're using warm water. We'll see, looks like it's pretty cloudy to me. What do you think? Is this okay?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's stir it some more. Okay, so let's start.
Making slime!
Glue for you.
Thank you.
Glue for me. Ho-ho! Now, we are not using glue from my school, just to make that clear. We just went to the craft store and bought all these things, so we bought the glue there. In case you're wondering, kids.
Now let's start!
Okay, so we're squeezing our glue into our containers.
Okay, this is
Of course, I think, you know what we can do? It would be a lot easier if we unscrew. Let's unscrew this here.
Oh.
I should have brought some paper towels over.
But anyway.
Woo!
Get the whole container.
All right, I'm gonna put the whole thing in.
Okay. Good.
I'm gonna make a lot. Yeah! Whoa! Okay.
We want to make a lot of slime.
So we're gonna make 1 with shaving cream and 1 without shaving cream.
Yeah. I stick to it.
Do we want to add any food coloring to this?
Yes!
Okay.
I think I'm making my slime yellow.
Okay.
I love yellow.
I love
My
yellow
favorite
too.
color. Pink and yellow is my favorite.
Okay, so I would just do a little tiny drop at a time of this. Like literally just like a drop or 2.
1,
2, maybe 3. Okay. I think that'll be perfect for
Okay,
a pale
now
yellow.
mix.
And now,
Mixing time?
yeah, go ahead and start mixing it.
Making yellow.
Ready to put in some of that borax and water mixture. So, gonna just put a little bit at a time in here. Hope that's not too much. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing because I've never done this before.
Slime, it's making slime.
Oh.
I can see it's like starting to get so slimy.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
To make slime.
Just don't splash that stuff.
It's starting to definitely make slime.
Here, can I get in there with you?
Sure. You're gonna help me so badly.
Squirt, 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 squirt.
I don't even know what it'll feel like when we put our hands on this.
You know what this looks like?
What?
Looks like eggs. It looks like we're making eggs.
Yeah, it looks like we're making eggs. If we put a green with the yellow, it would make like a rotten egg.
Ew.
I hate rotten eggs. Those are disgusting.
I don't think anyone likes rotten eggs.
Yeah, no way. No way.
These are crazy.
Crazy.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's like, is this how it's supposed to be? Ew, this is like scrambled eggs.
We got glue all over our hands.
Ew.
Mix more.
What do we do?
You mix
What do we need more? Do we need more borax?
Yes.
You think? Or do we need more glue?
We need more borax.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
This is too gluey.
You hold the bowl. Okay.
This should make it better.
Ew. This is disgusting.
No, it's not. It is a little bit watery. Just help me. Now I got all over my hand.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Borax for the win.
Winden.
I hope I didn't do too much there.
Then I win.
So we had a little glitter catastrophe when we tried to open up the glitter, so we're just gonna pour that one into here.
Yeah, it might look good. I don't know.
Yeah, pink and yellow.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just gonna,
How about it's pink and yellow?
do you wanna make that one just yellow though, Savannah? You wanted yellow, so like this one could be yellow, this one could be pink and
Okay,
yellow.
no. So
Okay,
where
so let
can
me
we
just-
put this one? We will put this one in a container. Here. It works.
Okay, yeah, this little baggie that this glitter came in popped open.
Yeah, when I was opening it,
So
now it's mixed glitter.
let's try to mix it without getting it all over the place.
Like what I just
Yeah,
did.
just like what you just did. Yeah, pretty much
And-
don't do what you just did.
Yeah, I accidentally did that. It wasn't.
Out some of the- Keep mixing.
Mixing.
So these we all got at the local craft store too. It was cheaper to get all these different colors than it was just to get one color. And it was perfect just getting a small amount of each.
Yeah. It's
Do the other
so pretty because when you like do this, you can see like pink glitter inside of it. So I will put this in a container.
Just show everyone your rainbow nails.
Yeah, I have rainbow nails. See these. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Do you see the blue?
All right, we ready for the next kind? I think so.
Yeah. Let's put this in.
Okay. All right.
Yes? Okay. Now, hey, oh, this will be the fluffy kind.
Okay, so we're gonna use shaving
As you
cream.
see,
Oh yeah, that's okay. That's a little bit from our last kind. So what we saw we do.
I want to do it.
Okay. We spray equal parts of shaving cream into the glue. Okay, looks good. That's good. I think that's equal parts. Okay, and then we're gonna stir that up. Let's use the clean end of the stick. Got it, Savannah? So we don't want to mix any.
Bad parts.
Ooh, this smells good. I think I'm gonna like this kind.
Might.
Maybe we need a little more glue because I think we used more shaving cream than glue there, buddy. Squirt. Okay. And mix. Okay, so far this is equal parts Elmer's school glue and shaving cream. That mixed up well? I wouldn't touch that if I was you yet. Okay, now this one we're gonna keep white, right, Savannah? Because then we'll just add in glitter. Okay, so we're gonna add in a little bit of the borax water, just a bit at a time. Woo! Stir that up. Ooh, it's doing something, okay? Let's add
This is
some
the
more.
fluffy kind. I like it.
It makes a lot too. It seems like it makes double the amount.
Double.
Oh, bless you. Oh, actually, some extra moisture in this batch.
Feel it, Mom.
Let me drop some more in.
It's this one's my favorite. It's like a fluffy kind. I like it. So if you like want to make this fluffy kind, just if you want to be really fluffy, add a lot of shaving cream and a little bit of borax. Well, I guess, yeah, a little bit. So, as you're seeing, it's getting really fluffy.
Ooh,
Is it your favorite, Mom?
this is neat.
Is it your favorite?
I'm liking this kind. Yeah, this is cool.
So, this kind. I love this kind that I made. It's the biggest. The best! This is so
The
cute.
fluffiest.
And the biggest. This is the biggest slime I've ever seen.
Keep kneading it together.
Go.
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, I think we need to keep working with this.
Yeah.
Here,
So give me my spoon.
let me help you out.
Where's my spoon?
I don't think we need the spoon anymore. Can I see it for a minute?
Yes.
Let mommy muscles do their magic.
Mommy muscles. I got my
You think
hands
that's
on
funny, don't you?
Yes, your
Why-
mommy muscles.
Why is that so funny, huh?
Because why you say that? Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, look, so much we can share it. Here, let's break it. Oh, goody. Some for me, some for you. Hey! I don't like it any. Let's scoop up everything from the edges, too.
Okay.
Great.
Whoever
Okay.
gets, I
So
got
let's
the
just
most.
keep kneading it.
Keep kneading it.
See,
That.
would that fit in here? 'Cause we want to make sure that they can fit into our containers, right?
Yeah.
Oh! Excuse you!
Excuse you, Mr. Slime. You, Mr. Slimy Head.
Okay, so this one we can set
Slimy head.
aside. Okay, I think this one is all done.
Green.
Here.
Got the green.
Dun, 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 dun. I wonder, you know what? I kind of feel like trying to add a little food coloring to it. I don't know, can I do that now? Like, is it too late?
If you want to, you can.
Probably gonna get this food coloring all over my fingers. But there's only one way to find out.
Only one way to find out.
And what's that way? What do you gotta do? Gotta do it, right? Just do it.
And make like a night time.
Just do it. I'm just gonna spread it together.
If you did the purple, I'll make
Knead it.
like. I'm not gonna mix it
yeah.
yet.
Gonna have some blue hands.
Gotta have some blue hands.
There's worse things than that, though, right?
There worse things than that.
At least they're not brown.
Because that would be disgusting.
It'd be like poop hands.
Hey, what did you
I
say?
shouldn't say that. I'll delete that out of the video. That's not okay.
You know I'm making.
Cool.
Okay, I need a ring. I need some.
Okay, so I washed my hands and just got my hands a little wet to see if that would help. I kind of think it did. A little bit. I think it's a little
Hope it
bit
did.
softer.
That's good.
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe it's good.
Maybe it's good, maybe it's not. We'll see.
Let's see what happens to
We'll see
your
what
mood.
happens.
Let's see what
Are
happens.
you doing every color? That's gonna turn into brown.
No.
Okay.
Turn to rainbow.
All right.
I promise. I
Okay.
mean, with glitter, it doesn't turn brown. I
Okay.
think. I
All
don't know.
right. There's only one way to find out, right?
Yeah. I'm scared. I
Uh,
hope it doesn't turn in.
So we decided to try adding lots of different colors of glitter and different colors of food coloring to our slime, and we didn't want to show all of it to you, so these are just the little clips you get. Savannah will show you all the finished products.
So, as you can see, we have all of our signs right here. We are going to show you them right now and bringing them over. So, first, the lavender sign. At first, this slime didn't turn out as good as we thought it, but then it was like a lavender, and we loved it so much. I want to keep it forever and never get rid of it. Now, the egg slime. We did not think it would turn out really good, but at the end, it turned out so good. Another one of our egg slimes. See, this one we didn't think it would turn out good, but it turned out so good. I don't want to get rid of this one. Next, the cloud sign. This cloud sign is so good. I'm not getting rid of this. Feels like a pillow. This one is the cotton candy one. And this one we used also shaving cream. We also used it in this one. It's like a green cloud slime. My other favorite glitter cotton candy slime. This one is like a sky, but it's sparkly cotton candy. Is my rainbow glitter slime. You see it? And this one is another one of my Rainbow Galaxy slime.